Hello people, and today we're going to be reviewing the Indian style meal for two. You've got a chicken korma in there, chicken tikka. Let's open up the box and see what we've got here. Quite a nice solid box, look, it's quite easy. Look at that. Well strong. Right, let's get in there, shall we? Let's have a look, see what you get. Okay, so you've got your rice there. Got your nice Indian style rice. Seems like you only get one of them. Okay, fair enough, it's portion up between two. You've got your onion barges. You've got little mini naans there, one each. Nice. Okay, what have we got here? So we've got your chicken tikka, got lovely big chunks of chicken in that, and you've got your korma. Bit dubious of this one, to be fair, look at it. I don't know, the meat looks a bit weird. See what it cooks up like in a minute before we judge it. Yes, you've got your tikka. The sauce seems to have gone to one side. We'll have a little whiz up with that in a while, even that out. And yes, you've got your sturdy box. Right, so let's open this up, shall we? So let's pull this cellophane off here. That's just coming off. Well, that didn't work either. Right, okay, let's get a little knife on this and shimmy it around. Open it up. Okay. It doesn't peel back, so just got to cut it like this, unfortunately. But yeah, let's have a look. Bit messy, bit of a messy job. It'd be better if you just peeled it straight off like that and just stick it straight in the bin, but yeah, I guess not. Okay, let's have a look at this then. Right, so here we go then, put our hot rice down. Quite a bit of steam coming off that. Let's separate that out. Now remember, this is for two. I don't know. Don't think there's enough there for two, to be fair, but you know, maybe I'm being greedy. I don't know. But yeah, it looks a bit bland. There's no cardamoms in it, there's no bay leaves in it, there's no nothing in it. Just rice. So I'm going to give it a bit of salt, because I do love a bit of salt on my rice. Not supposed to have too much of it though, but yeah. Right, so I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll run this spoon down the middle there and separate it into two portions. There should be enough rice for two there then. That's what they're saying. Yeah, I suppose. It's going to be more sauce ratio, more curry to the actual rice though. Right, let's get this tikka one down first of all. We'll do that on one side of the plate. So that looks nice, rich, glossy, nice big chunks of chicken. Not too greasy, not greasy in that, look. It's quite nice. Quite thick sauce. It smells beautiful. You can really smell the herbs and spices in that chicken's been marinating in. So that's quite a nice one, that. Right, so here we have the chicken korma. Mainly sauce to chicken, to be fair. Got a few chunks of chicken in there. You've got this creamy sauce. I'll be honest with you, it don't look very appetising. I mean, I like to eat with my eyes as well as my mouth, you know, but we'll give it a go. It's very gloopy, look. I don't know. We'll give it a go, see what it tastes like. Other than that, yeah. Let's see what the verdict is. Looks alright, I guess. It's got a chicken there. Yes, let's give it a go, shall we? See what it tastes like. Spices are there. Creamy. Yeah, it's just tikka. The rice is not that great, to be honest with you. Being microwave rice, you know, it's a bit stodgy. Chicken pieces are nice. That's not so bad actually. Let's have a look at that actually. Let's get a bit of that and take a bite of it and see if it's. Yeah, it's proper bits of chicken. So it's not that mechanically reformed stuff. It's proper bit of chicken. It's okay. It's better than what I thought it'd be, to be fair. As I said, you've got the spices there, the tikka taste, quite nice. Very tender, the chicken. Not hot, mild. I think you can jazz that up a little bit, bit of chilli in there maybe, or a bit of coriander, be nice on that. Yeah, it's not bad. yeah, I think that's enough of that one, to be fair. It's okay. I'll give it 6 out of 10 for that. It's alright. The rice is a bit shit though, to be fair. You only get the one rice share between two, as you saw when I separated it. That's not really that great. It's not really fluffy either. You probably better just boil that own bag of rice, to be honest with you, with and put some cardamoms in it and make it more nice, you know, more curry. But what do you want for £7, you know? £7, 2 curries, a little bit of rice, naan bread. You've got your onion bars as well. These are nice and hot, you can see there. They're alright. Again, a bit soft though. I'm used to them being crunchy and like proper nice. Yes, it is what it is. This one I'm a bit dubious of, this chicken korma. To be honest with you, it looks like something out of a nappy, doesn't it, to be fair? It don't look too great. Yeah, look at it. I don't know. Let's give it a go. You know, I'm expecting it to be really coconutty probably, and well, let's get in there and have a go. Very mild. Yeah, very coconutty, as I thought it'd be. Sweet, a bit like honey. Like a honey taste to it, more honey and then coconut kind of taste. You got these charred bits of chicken there, which would have been pre-charred by the look of things. Look, got a bit of charring on it. It's obviously been grilled. Yeah, probably bits of chicken. Oh, I don't know. Bit soft, bit too soft, bit too slimy. Not very nice. Yeah, out of two, the chicken tikka's better. That's too sweet for my liking. It's just too much of that. It's too sickly. Again, the rice lets it down. It's a bit sickly, a bit sweet. A bit like a paswami naan, but curry. Obviously coconutty. Don't know about that, to be fair. You've got your naan bread. Now what I do is just literally cut it in half, stick it in a toaster for quickness. We can just pop it under the grill. That seems quite nice actually. It smells quite nice as well. Yeah, it's got little bits in it as well. I think there are cardamom seeds in there possibly, or nigella seeds, something in there. But there. Let's put it in that tikka, see what that's like. Yeah, that's better. That brings out the flavour, to be fair, of the tikka with that. That's not bad. Yeah. Chicken tikka, good. Chicken korma, a 2, 3. That'll push. And so it's a bit sweet, a bit sickly. Let's have a go at these. He's a bit squidgy, look. They're a bit soft. You've got onion barges, they call them onion barges, a bit flat as well. I'm used to them being round and dark and crispy and gnarly, but these are just soft. And you obviously got your, what's that, turmeric in there as well. Let's give it a go. Oh, dry. Ugh. No. No. Yuck, they're horrible, they're too dry. It's like foam, spicy foam. Just literally sucks all the moisture out of your mouth. I give them a miss. Yeah, overall, is it worth £7? I've had worse, not gonna lie. It's an alright curry, quick basic curry. Maybe want to pep it up, buy this as a basic, and add your own spices to it. Maybe just pep it up a little bit. I don't know, or herbs. Would I buy it again? No, I don't think I would. I'd give it a miss. Sorry, Asda, you have to try a bit better this next time. I'll give that a miss. I might try your Chinese one though next, see what that's like. But this one, chicken tikka, okay. Korma, nah, not for me. Onion barges, they're shit. Sorry, had to say they are. Naan breads, they're a winner. I like them, they're good. £7, ain't bad to be fair. £7, yeah. Feels a no. Anyway, what better compliment that with Cobra beer. I think the Cobra beer is probably the best out of that, and yeah. Oh well, you don't know until you try. Thanks for watching, people.